And then, ma'am, opo, ibabasahin na po namin, ma'am, yung order na naka-address naman po. Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, tig-isa po ulit tayo.
Just a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need my lawyers to be present?
Hindi naman po, ma'am. Hindi naman po.
I really
This
like
time.
my lawyers to be present, ma'am.
Opo. Ma'am, hindi po muna ngayon. Kasi, ma'am.
Are you
doon-
transferring me now?
Yes po, ma'am.
No, I really want my lawyers to be present.
Attorney, ang order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand that,
Yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Kasi
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero, ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am. Let us implement this first, ma'am, because
No,
we are
I need my
under.
lawyers to be present, ma'am. Please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not
I
here
am-
po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
Ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
ano po ito
understand.
also?
kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema,
Yes.
sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am?
I need
Because
my
ba-
lawyers. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay,
anywhere. Just
opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo na sa...
Leave the room now.
Ah,
You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, it's okay. Please just go out. Leave the room now.
2022.
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order.
Opo.
Opo.
Ng order, nabasa na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi, this is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
For contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo.
So,
Ma'am, let
lalo
us,
yun,
ma'am,
clear
let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Can you just give us a copy? and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we'll review?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022, 2023,
Ma'am, kumusta po siya, ma'am?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam paano mag-assess kasi may doctor naman.
Opo.
Nagsuka siya ng nagsuka. Tapos nag-collapse. Ano namin.
May condition po ba siya, ma'am? Andun sir po sa ma'am. Tabi. Bawal to, bawal. Naibaba na sa ito, nagulay ka.
Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physician and cleared to receive medical center in Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, si NK Valley Worker, may text tayo galing kay SRD Luna. Ma'am, sabi ni SRD Luna, tapos na yun. To General Victoria from Israel, John Victoria, ask for Attorney Zoraida Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, as represented in the file, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visibility rights of the following people: Senator Pastor de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all current hospital safety guidelines should be followed as well as hospital policies on state of Secret Ryan for strict immediate compliance. Dito, walang witness na. Dito naman mo, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni BP. Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni BP. Kasama niyo po si BP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni BP. Sure, we are going to that. Yes, promise. Nandiyan naman si BP. They are just in one car. Ano? Hindi ko lang iiwan.
Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padala. Dito na po. Kasi ka lang kayo dyan. Dyan lang ako.
Sige, baka paano.
Doon ka na ting. Anak.
Okay, wagan.
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang kalala.
Ano na siguro? Yes.
Muna ako nga. Next.
Atras muna, atras. Atras. Ipa-atras lagi, maunag. Sabay si ma'am. Abutin mo yung ano. Abutin mo yung ano.
Attorney Lopez, ma'am. Okay, sir. Naka-atras po.